Endometrial polyp is an excess growth that happens inside the uterine cavity. It can cause infertility, heavy menstrual bleeding, and painful menses. Hysteroscopic polypectomy is the commonest procedure performed by using hysteroscope for a significant sized polyp. The patient can go back home within a few hours of the procedure. In this video, you can see a polyp inside the uterine cavity which is measuring around 3 into 3 centimeter. Here you can see a polyp which is being cut by the scissors at the base. You can see here the polyp is dancing freely inside the endometrial cavity after it is being cut at the base. And this is the final picture that you're seeing, a clear endometrial cavity, and the patient gets discharged the same day.